today I have another kind of feminine gem for you. I want to talk about the fear of being beautiful, which is somehow a fear that a lot of women have. So I'm calling you beautiful woman. You that face the world every day with strength and love. Allow me to invite you on a journey of self-fulfillment and growth without fear of your own beauty. And maybe some of you will say, I'm not afraid of being beautiful. And that's amazing, but just maybe look and ask yourself if you allow yourself to be seen in every way, and that will give you some answers maybe. I understand that sometimes it can be challenging to embrace yourself and put yourself first, especially in the world that often demand so much from you and you feel like you have so much on your shoulders. This world where you always should look the best, always should look healthiest and fit and being there for everybody, and also this thing like all of women that just like gave birth and they think that they should look certain way and all these aspects. So I want to offer you a journey to maybe overcome that and go more into your appreciate who you are. Overcoming inner doubts. I know that sometimes you, like everybody, have inner doubts that stop you from thriving, and maybe you think you're not good enough, or that change is hard and impossible, which is a limiting belief. But I want to let you know that it is possible. And I know because during the last years, and I'm changing all the time, and so do you, even if you don't intend to. It is possible to overcome those fears and recognize that you are worthy of shining. You are worthy of what you want, point. These doubts that you feel indicate that there should be attention and space for things in your life that you want, that you can think also what these fears and doubt want to tell you, which limitations do you put on yourself. So when we have doubt, I always invite you to look at where they come from and what actually these doubts and fear stopping you from doing and being what you like. Beauty from within, it's something that you can hear this a lot, but in my journey of self-development, I strongly believe that as it comes from outside, true beauty comes from within. It's not just about how you look in the mirror, it's about how you feel that you look in the mirror. And the energy that you radiate is many times more powerful and attractive than the clothes you put on. When you are, they are like this energetic beauty. When you feel good about yourself, it doesn't matter what you wear, you always radiate this beauty and powerful energy. And you can wear the most beautiful, expensive clothes, but you feel you don't appreciate yourself. You feel like so not confident inside that nobody sees these clothes, they just feel your energy. So I invite you to discover with me the power of self-love and how it forms in all basic of radiant self. I would say self-care in many ways is the essence. I know that sometimes people think it's considered selfish, but that's so far from the truth. Self-care is essential part of our journey. Together we can take small, achievable step in your daily routine to nurture yourself. I mean, and self-care is everything from saying no to what you don't like, making time and space for the things you like, if it's gardening, reading, dancing, meditating, whatever, giving yourself this time and space to do them, and taking care of your body, of your skin, and of your emotions, of how you feel, because today I believe that there's nothing more important than our emotional and mental health. That affects everything, our physical health, our beauty as well. So in my salons, in the treatments, I lovingly share every practical tip I can and small adjustment to easily bring about and encourage you for your inner transformation and care. This will not only improve your appearance but also your inner well-being. So yes, I always give tips, about skincare, about how to avoid that and achieve the glowing skin you want. But there's also a lot of things that I love to encourage, especially women that come to the salon, of stepping more into self-love, more into, for example, knowing that a treatment is not selfish. And I bet with you that, and I know that actually it's not a bet, I know that when men are coming into the salon, do you think they feel guilty when they take the time for a facial or massage? No, they don't. So I always give this extra, we put the shame and the guilt on the side, and this is your time. And I want you to adopt it in your daily life, not only when you come to me. Together I would like to discover with you the power of natural skincare and holistic beauty. And these approaches are not focused only on the external appearance, but they have a deep effect on your physical and emotional level. Your nervous system is allowed to relax and go into inner peace. And from this peace, the answers will come to you. And when you're relaxed, if you want to talk about outside beauty, you get better results because your nervous system is regulated, and there are no fight or flights or hormones of stress playing so much in your body. So your skin is relaxed and receive the treatment much better. So when you come to this place of relaxation, you can get some answers for yourself while you receive, what can I let go of? What doesn't serve me? What makes me happy? What nourishes me? Let's embrace these questions and ask ourselves these things and get the answers, like what nourishes me. I mean, this can bring you so much level of self-love and self-care. I understand that the fear of other people's reaction as you grow maybe intimidates you, but true friends and the people around you, I believe that the people around us basically want to see us happy and succeed. So I believe that true friends and loved ones will support you in your journey of self-care and self-fulfillment. So you don't need to be afraid to be seen and to share your growth with others. and create positive connections. And you know, and if people don't like that, maybe it's time to gently release them. And so, my beautiful, amazing, brave woman, I invite you to sit together to a journey without these fears and doubt. It's time to shine. It's time to bloom and put yourself first. You are unique and you deserve to feel unique and treat yourself as unique. Don't let fear hold you back. It's time for you. And I just felt inspired to share this message because of all the beautiful women that come to the salon and we have amazing conversation, and these fears of showing up, being beautiful, being confident are so present. And I think it's time to let them go. So I invite you to come and talk more and share what's on your heart and get inspired for your own self. I'm looking forward to meet you.